Okay. Hi, my name is Zach. I'm a student in Miss Chase's class, and in her class, we have been going over histograms, sigma, mean, median, and mode, diamond paper, bell curves, and standard deviation, and box and whisker plots. So first, I'll start talking about histograms. Histograms look like this. It's kind of like the regular graph that you usually see. What you do for a histogram is that you get numbers like this, and it's regular just data. And what you do is that you put them in order, and you see how many numbers there are. So we got 24 is our final number. And then out of all of them, I think there was about 20 numbers. And so what you would do here is that we would go up to about 30 or so, and then have our numbers laid out here. And so we would have the number, like 0 through 1, and then how many times it pops up. So 1 popped up 6 times, so we would put that there. Or 2 popped up 8 times, so we would put it there, that type of thing. So that is histograms. And now I'll be talking about mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode are ways to get an understanding of your graph. So what you do with mean, median, and mode, you put all the numbers in order. For median, it means kind of like the middle. And so the middle of all your numbers, which was in between 2 and 2. So what you would do is you would add them and then divide by 2. And then for mode is like what number comes up the most. And so that was 1 and 2. And mean is average. So you would add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. And range goes from like 0 to 100 is our range. And so also we did diamond paper, which is kind of the same thing, but we're just writing it a different way. We got data, and then we did a graph, a picture, we drew a picture, and then a story about it. We also did sigma, which looks like this, and written out, it ends up looking like this. So what it is that you get the number, it starts at 1 and ends at 5. And so the end, you would put the numbers, they keep going up. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what it means right there. And then you put that for n. So it means like 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. And then you add all those numbers up once you get the answer for your sum. And that's summation. That's summation notation, or sigma. And the sigma is the little e symbol. Looks like that, or this. Yeah, now that we've learned this, let's go try to find a student that needs help. Where's a good student? Oh, hi Jacob.
Hey Zachary.
Do you need help with anything?
Yeah, this diamond paper is like really confusing me, dude.
Oh, okay, so diamond paper. What diamond paper is that you have numbers, kind of like this. You have data points, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then what you would do with it is that you would put it in an X and Y table. So X are the numbers, and then the Y is how many times they showed up. And that's how you create a histogram. A histogram is for example, a histogram is right here. That's what a histogram looks like. This is a box and whisker plot. You made this, and what it is that we get the median, which we talked about, and then the median of the numbers in between the median, if that makes sense. And then after we figure out that stuff, we can make a story like this. How many hours do you spend on your phone per day? Hey Bob, you're on your phone a lot. How many hours do you spend on that thing? I don't know, 10 or 11. How about you, Derek? I don't know, 1 or 2. What do you mean, brother? And then we drew a picture. of what that is.
So Bob's on his phone for like 10 hours.
Yeah. Does that make sense to you?
Oof. Yeah. Thanks, Zach.
You're welcome.